Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. And I want to take a look at the technical charts to give you a solid support and resistance level so you can feel confident knowing you have the best information to make the best trades. But first, Nvidia traded sideways today again, only up 0.09%. After hours, though, Nvidia is down 0.76% at an average cost of $533.50 per share. Now, if we look at Nvidia's price action today, Nvidia traded between $524 and $539.50, which gives Nvidia a current market cap of 332.09 billion. The volume today was at 8.78 million. Now let's hop over to our trading view account where I've plugged out the support and resistance levels for you. First off, the ceiling, the resistance for NVIDIA. It has a very strong and solid ceiling at $588 level there. Now, it also has a pretty solid support level. It has a solid support level at $491, but it also has a psychological support level of $500. When Nvidia gets down to that $500 range, it doesn't stay there very long and usually pops up. We can see that has happened several times, most recently back on October the 30th. Now, Nvidia has been forming a flag pattern here for the past few days, ever since November the 10th. And a flag pattern, if we go down here to our notes, get it up here, a flag pattern is created when a steep rise or fall, in NVIDIA's case, it was a steep fall, is followed first by trading in a narrow price range. And you can see NVIDIA was in a narrow price range for the past several trading days, and then finalized with a second steep rise or steep fall. So if we go back and look at the chart for NVIDIA, NVIDIA did the steep fall, the decline right here on November 10th, and then it has been consolidating ever since then to form this flag pattern. Now, once it concludes this consolidation period, it's either going to shoot up or it's going to shoot down. Now, if it does go down, look for buying opportunities. First, the psychological level at $500. Second, the solid support level at $491, and the second support level at $476. Anything in that range, that's a good entry point. It's a good place to buy. Uh, that does it for the stock price here. But let's take a look at the MACD. You can see the MACD has been flat since November the 10th, and the relative strength index has been flat since November the 11th, right around the 50-point range. If you look at NVIDIA's past, you don't see NVIDIA holding flat very long. It's usually up and down, fluctuates in price. So it'll be interesting to see what's going to happen at the end of this flag pattern. Will it go up? Will it go down for buying opportunities? Watch that closely. Thank you for watching Ticker Time News. I'm Adam. Be sure to like and subscribe and share the video and leave a comment down below. What price point are you looking to get into NVIDIA? Take care. I'll see you in the next video.